Why do 75% of freelancers say they'd never go back to a regular job? Let's find out. Freelancing can be a game changer. First, find your niche. What are you really good at? Writing, design, coding, stick to your strengths. Next, build an online presence. Create a killer portfolio. Show off your best work. And don't forget to network. Connect with other freelancers and potential clients. Set your rates smartly. Research what others charge. Don't sell yourself short, but stay competitive. Now, the big one, time management. Use tools like calendars and timers to stay on track. Balance work and rest to avoid burnout. Lastly, keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends in your field. Invest in courses or workshops. So, ready to dive into freelancing? Start today, and who knows, you might just become the next big success story.